In this video, I'm going to explain how to claim Baby Groot token in Monopoly Go. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is what the Baby Groot token even is. So, Groot, a beloved member of the Guardians of the Galaxy and the Rocket Raccoon's close companion, has an adorable Baby Groot token featured in the game in Monopoly Go, and you can get it actually probably right now while you're watching this video. So, this token showcases a miniature Groot sitting in a pot, smiling cheerfully. So this is basically what you can get. And here's how to get it exactly. To unlock this charming token, you will need to reach level 15 in the Treasures of the Galaxy Dig event. Be prepared with a good supply of pickaxes, as this will take quite a fair amount to progress to this level and approximately 20 to 25 more to unearth the token itself and dig it out. So, you've been trying to find this event, and in case you haven't found it yet, here's why. Because the event, which is called Treasures of the Galaxy Dig event, is scheduled to run from November 20th to November 24th. So keep in mind that event details may change upon release, okay? Additionally, the Baby Groot token, as well as the Rocket Raccoon shield, will only become available once the event officially begins, and there is no way to get it as of right now because at the current time of recording this video, it is the 18th of November, and you can't really get it right now. You'll have to wait from November 20th to November 24th, and you will then have 4 days to dig it out and to get it forever. So mark your calendar and get ready to dig for treasures. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.